The Princess and the Animal Friends. Once upon a time, a friendly and kind princess lived in a small palace in the woods. The princess liked animals so much that she went out of the palace every day, and she spent her time feeding animals and getting along with them. Meanwhile, the palace was getting worn out. Winter had finally come. The princess was worried about her animal friends shivering with cold, and so she let the animals come into her palace. The animals could stay warm during the winter to her consideration. How can we repay her for her generosity? The animals discussed what to do for her. Rabbit said, "How about making her palace decorated beautifully?" Squirrel said, "That's a good idea. The palace gets dirty while we are staying here throughout this winter." The animals decided to get the palace to be neat and pretty. Giraffe took responsibility for the wall of the palace. She painted the wall with white color using her long neck. "I can paint even high parts of the wall because I'm tall," said Giraffe. "It's awesome!" everyone exclaimed. Monkey was supposed to paint the roof of the palace. "I can get the top of the palace easily. I will jump up to the roof and paint it," said Monkey. He jumped up to the roof at once and started to paint the roof with pink color. The palace was getting more and more beautiful. Squirrel said, "I will wipe the window down then. I can polish the window with my fluffy tail." After she rubbed the window with her furry tail, the window began to shine. "Then I will paint the gate of the palace to be green," said Rabbit. He painted the gate with green color. The palace of the princess was getting cleaner and prettier, added various colors on it. The princess was very happy to see that. "Oh dear, my friends, thank you so much. I can live in a wonderful palace from now on by your favor. How kind you are. Thank you for the beautiful white wall, Giraffe. Thanks a lot for the pink roof, Monkey. Squirrel, I like those clean windows. Thank you. The green gate is fabulous. Thanks, Rabbit." The princess and her animal friends lived in a newly refurbished palace happily ever after. See you very soon. Goodbye.